Hi everyone, welcome. We just finished another tournament here, the CliffTop Links tournament. It's a very hilly course with lots of different elevations, hence why they called it the CliffTop Links. Anyways, we're about to start another 9-hole tournament tomorrow, so I need to get this content out there. So I have the notes here that are kind of fresh in my mind. So I'm going to be doing the pro division here first, and then I'm going to be doing the rookie right after. So let's get started. I'll try to explain it the best way I can, how I played these holes, and how I found the best way to approach these holes. Okay, with this first hole here, this is hole number 1. It's a par 4, and you can play this drive a couple different ways. How I found out playing this drive the best way for me was using a big topper and going with about 2 to 3 bars right spin, and the rest will be top spin. Full curl and power 1 ball, quasar ball, sufficient enough. Of course, you want to use the quasar because it has more right spin than the navigator and stuff, so that's why I chose the quasar here. And another thing you want to remember with this particular drive is after you've taken the drive, what I did is I centered the target, basically the center of the fairway, so that you know if you great balled it left or right, you'd be fine. And it gives you plenty of room. Once you make this curl, you clear it by quite a bit, as you can see on this first bump. And another thing to remember is to take a look now. You can see the yardage here. 398. It's important to write down how many yards you went, as I found out in rookie especially, the yardage and the distance you are away from the green would change the elevation for your next shot. So it's important to mark down your first shot. So our first shot was 398. I tried that at 0% elevation. And that's what I found to work with most of my drives. I drove one at 403, one at 399, one at 391, one at 368, one at 395. And I found with all of those, the elevation of 0% for your second shot will be fine. Your first shot here was played at 20%. You can also play your first drive with an APOC. I tried an APOC 1 and an APOC 3. So if you have that and you're not comfortable with the big topper, try your APOC, because the APOC has a lot of curl. I did try it with a extra mile, and it doesn't have enough curl to really get you to where you want to. So I would choose a club that has a lot of curl. With the tailwind that we had there, you might even be able to get away with a quarterback. But like I said, I found the big topper works the best. It gives you a lot more topspin. The quarterback is very limited with the topspin. So with this second shot here, you're putting it at 0% elevation. And I chose the Kingfisher because the Kingfisher has the best ball guide. On this particular shot, the ball guide tends to flatten out, which is a good thing because it tells you exactly what's going to happen with the ball guide. So when the guide flattens out, you run it towards the hole, right inside the hole, and 0% elevation. All you have to do is adjust your elevation after that. With a flat ball guide, it basically tells you what's going to happen after it hits the green, where it rolls. So, and I noticed the further you are, the closer you are to that rough patch, the better the flattened out ball guide becomes. So anyways, like I said, Kingfisher because it has the best ball guide, flattened out ball guide, play it at 0%, and there you go, you got yourself an eagle. So thanks for watching. I hope that helps. Catch you on hole 2.